welcome to another video. Today we're making some slime. All of y'all that like slime, please like my video. Please, I really want a lot of subscribers. And I'm not really used to making some videos, so let's get in the video. That sounds weird, didn't it, right?
Put all your trash ahí donde aventaste el other slime.
Yeah, this one's pretty messy. So, I'm gonna go wash it. Let me dry it off.
Deja de estar tirando por el piso.
Because, no, I want some watery slime. Or some paper slime. No, I don't know what paper slime is actually. I think it's even pink. So, let's get into the vid and making the slime. So first off, we gotta take this out, cause I don't know, but we just gotta take it out. I'm wiping my hands onto the tray. My mom told me to wipe my hands in that tray. Who knows what is this? So probably sprinkles. Who knows? I asked my mom to open it first. Alright, I'm gonna get some scissors. Maybe that's how the color looks with me here. The scissors are right over here. Right. Okay.
Y apagando las luces.
Okay, now let's add the slime. Ooh, and very nice sprinkles. Just mix that. Okay. Now let's add 2 drops. 2 drops. Turning very good so far. Not like last time I tried to make some slime by myself. Okay. Let's start mixing.